You've probably seen a few hand catch videos. Well, today I'll show you a new way to hand catch that is so simple and safe. In fact, you're not even catching a drone. Alright guys, so I probably should have posted this video a long time ago because there's a lot of videos out there that show a common way to hand catch, which in my opinion is too risky. That risky way is when you have the drone land into your hand. So let me show you that first real quickly, and then I'll show you the other way. Alright, so that probably looks a little bit familiar, and the reason why I think this is too risky is because you're relying on the drone to descend straight down while keeping your hands centered underneath the drone. You may also have your fingers pointed straight up, which isn't ideal when you have swinging props. Add a gust of wind or move your hand accidentally while the drone is descending and things can get real bad real quickly. So let me show you the other way, the new way. So simple, right? And one of the key things is that I actually have the drone in my hand before I shut down the motors. So let me do that again and give you step by step. Alright, so first off, I have eye protection. Okay, now I have the drone just a little bit above my head and above eye level. And then what I'm going to do is rotate the drone. Okay, now I have the drone facing towards me. And I'm going to put my hand out like this very naturally. Come up to the front of the drone and hold it lightly and then shut down the motors. That simple. So the beauty is I have the drone already in my hand before I shut down the motor. So there's a lot of comfort knowing that you already have it in your hand before you turn off the motors. Alright, so other important things are I have the drone facing me, so then that's avoiding the downward sensors that are in the back, which could prevent it or cause it to actually fly up if it senses your hand underneath the drone. Secondly, by having the drone facing me, the front props are actually higher than the back props, so there's a little bit more clearance there. And then when you have the drone in your hand, you hold it lightly, very lightly, and then you shut down the motors, and then as the weight increases on the drone, you firm up your grip. Now, one thing to note is that you want to make sure that the drone is in position before you turn the drone around facing you, because if you try and move the drone forward or backward, left or right, the controls are going to be backwards. Alright guys, so that is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit that like button to let me and others know that you found this video helpful. Got a lot more videos coming up, so go ahead and subscribe if you like. And as always, happy and safe flying.